Approaching a start. And there they go, off and pacing. War Cry Ranger was right on it, getting out. He's headed for the lead. Instant Fantasy towards the rail. Then third into the turn. That is Brace for the Chill. Smart Barney has crossed over fourth. OK Chavez fifth. Then it's Blue Meadow Willie and Narragansett. Up the backstretch for time one. War Cry Ranger and Brian Andrews sailing along with the three-length lead here in the early going. Instant Fantasy, he is second. Brace for the Chill goes third. Smart Barney, they're getting strung out now. Up the fifth is OK Chavez, 28 and 2. Lively Tempo. Racing six is Blue Meadow Willie, and Narragansett will have to circle the field from seventh. Off the paddock turn, they move down the lane, the half mile in their sights, and freewheeling on the lead, it's War Cry Ranger. Instant Fantasy all alone in second. Brace for the Chill is third. That's Smart Barney fourth. OK Chavez fifth. Blue Meadow Willie coming out sixth, and Narragansett is seventh. They're halfway home, and they're sliding 57 and 2 for the half. War Cry Ranger, 3/8 to go. Instant Fantasy is closing in second. Dropping back third, that's Brace for the Chill. Smart Barney moving up fourth. Blue Meadow Willie fifth. Narragansett now sixth. OK Chavez trailing the field down to a quarter of a mile to go. Still the lead belongs to War Cry Ranger. Instant Fantasy second. 3/4 and 27 and 3. Approaching the 7/8. War Cry Ranger. Instant Fantasy. Narragansett is 3 high third. Blue Meadow Willie fourth. And down the stretch they come. War Cry Ranger. Narragansett. Blue Meadow Willie. They can't catch him. War Cry Ranger goes all the way. Tight for the deuce. Narragansett up against Blue Meadow Willie in a place picture. But it's War Cry Ranger today in 158 flat.